how to trade Forex or FX on Trading 212. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can trade Forex on Trading 212. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to trade Forex on Trading 212. If you want to trade Forex on Trading 212, the first thing is that you will need a CFD account, which is 212 CFD account. So if you go to trading212.com, here on the top left you can see I have switched to the 212 CFD account. So you need to make sure that you have got a CFD account from here. Then after that, you need to fund your CFD account with the desired amount like your funds. You can also click the Start Trading Now button from the top right. Make sure you've verified your identity and make sure you've added the funds right over there. Or you can also practice with virtual money if that's the case, right? Just for practicing. Now in the app, you can go to Forex section, which lists various currency pairs according to Trading 212. Otherwise, you can simply choose a specific Forex pair you want to trade like Euros, USD, GBP, or JPY. Specify the amount you want to trade, set your desired stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk and potential profits. Then click on buy to open a long position or sell to open a short position. And this way you'll be able to trade Forex on Trading 212. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.